Hey guys, Andrew here and welcome back to AppIQ, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your up screen grid for your Android or Samsung phone. So as you can see, I have a grid here of 4 by 5, 4 ups across and 5 down. And I'm going to show you how to change that. And in order to change this, you want to open up your settings and then scroll all the way down to where you'll find home screen, tap on that, and then you will see up screen grid. You want to tap on that as well, and here you will see the different options that I have: 4 by 5, a 4 by 6, 5 by 5, and even a 5 by 6. And you can simply go ahead and choose whichever you want. So let's say you want a 5 by 5, tap on done. Then if you minimize this and do a swipe up, you will go to those grids as well, and you can see now that I now have a 5 by 5. So as you can see, I have the 5 by 5 option here, and you can see that I now run 5 up across, and I even have extra space to put additional ups to the bottom there, and I can go by 5 by 5. So this is how you can easily go ahead and change this, guys. I'm going to simply go ahead and go back into my up screen grid here, and I can change it back to 4 by 5. Very easy and very simple, guys.